Hello everyone, today I'll speak about 3 dividend stock, best dividend stocks to buy right now. Of course, dividend investing for me, it can be a best strategy for this year, a very tough year for the stock market. I'm expecting another move down. That's why I'm prefer to receive a stable cash flow, a dividend payment towards the end of this year. So let's start with the first company for today is JP Morgan Chase with the ticker GPM. By the way, this bank is the one who win the deal for First Republic Bank. So actually it's this bank, if I'm not mistaken, will receive it assets, all the deposits, so it will take over this bank. So yes, the GPM bought First Republic Bank, so actually yeah, now it's the amount of assets in the near future will increase for this bank. So the dividend yield around 3%. Let's have a look on its fundamental parameters for this bank. So we see that the market cap is huge, it's 400 billion bucks, the dividend yield 2.8%, and of course we may see that the P ratio now is 10, so it's in my mind not expensive at all. NPS only 2 price per revenue 2.3. yeah, it's very cheap. Yeah, it was 2 years ago, it was 3.8. yeah, so the valuation is not cheap. The revenue of this company continued to grow. The net income margin, by the way, 23%, so it's quite strong and high figure. The revenue breakdown, so we see that 42% the company give the sector of banking, on the second place corporate investment bank, and asset and wealth management about 13%. The breakdown by revenue, the North America give to the banks 75%, and in the second place Europe and Middle East. Also we see that the dividend yield is very close to 3%. The dividend per share for last 3 years continue to grow. So the dividend yield is 2.8%, the annualized 3-year dividend grow more than 5%, and the payout ratio about 30%, so the payout ratio very low. Here I see a great room even to increase the dividend payments, because of course the dividend payout ratio in my mind is very low. And let's have a look on the chart. So here in my mind it's the key level is 120, so it can be support level, it can be resistance level. So look, if we break this level down, so it's signal for short, that we may see this company stock a little bit lower. If we trade it above this line, so everything okay, in my mind there is a bullish sign, and you can hold a long position for this company. So now we trade at 140. By the way, let's have a look on the forecast for this company. We see that the average price focus is 158%, so about the upside to 12%. Also 26 analysts giving stock rating to JP Morgan. In the past 3 months, strong buy starting, buy 3 and hold 10, so we don't see any rating of sell or strong sell, so of course it's also a positive sign for JP Morgan Chase company. So JP Morgan is the first company for today. Dividend yield about 3%, and generally speaking I like this stock.